A multi-level bill of materials is the complete opposite of a single-level bill of materials. Multi-level bill of materials are used for more complex builds. These types of bills of material include components and sub-assemblies. In addition to this, sub-assemblies in a multi-level bill of materials are oftentimes broken down even further into more sub-assemblies. In these types of bills of material, the bill or document must show each item number and the parent it is associated with. Multi-level bills of material are almost always have more than two levels of a parent-child relationship. One unique thing to note about multi-level bills of material is that the information on the bill of materials is still generally stored as a single level bill of material and tied together at the various levels. The components and subcomponents are tied together in the proper order according to the way they need to be built. Keep in mind that if an item is built in a single work center, it may make more sense to structure the bill of materials as a single-level bill of materials. Now that you know what a multi-level bill of materials is, let's look closer at two common types of multi-level bills. See you in the next module.